so well against the metal.
Oh, that worked better.
So then go up about head height? Okay.
Right about there.
Yeah.
Run the wires out in the space where you know
Right.
you can get it.
Yep.
Then put it up, keeping it like I put it up out here. I put it up here and then step it in. Rather than put it up here and pull those ends out. I think that's a little better. Anyway,
Oh. That always happens. What is it even caught on? The littlest thing. Now it's caught on me. There's your baby.
I've got that, you know, that on
Oh yeah.
Because the other day I had a problem. I was a control operator.
Oh really? For who?
For those guys.
It can be, especially if you do it old school and you've got like a gazillion buckets to deal with. In case you want to come in and then I'll do a recall and we'll figure out what the heck I've done with everybody. Kevan right here. Okay, you have a good evening there, Ray, and we'll talk to you later on. Thank you. Okay, let me figure out where the heck I'm at. Another general call here. This is the ONTARS net. Net controller is Victor Echo 3 Charlie Echo Alpha. Name here is Chris. We're located in Mattawa, just north of Algonquin Park, and we are listening for any ONTARS check-ins. Over.
Victor Echo 3, Echo Foxtrot, Quebec.
Recheck, Papa Alpha. Okay, I got Victor Victor Echo 3, Echo Foxtrot, Quebec. I lost part of the other call and I had
That was in a pileup too.
Half a watt.
Yeah. That's funny. I didn't think he was going to pick you out.
Thanks, Chris. It's Mike again.
And listen to how loud he is.
Wondering what the signal's like now.
Wow.
I just brought down my eyes in time. It looked like it was about S8. Alright, very good. I'm on a different antenna again. So I think this one works a little bit better. You're coming in much louder too. So very good. Thank you for the info. The E3CMM. Alright, yeah, you're just reaching
Mike, I've talked to that guy before. I think he's one of the controllers.
A little bit overdriven though. You might want to bump it down just a touch. I'll check that out.
That sounded better.
Yeah, that was a little better just right there. It's probably just on the margin there as you crawl up in the mic. Okay, Chris. Yeah, I also stay too close to the mic usually. Thank you, V3CMM. Okay, no problem there. It's doing okay there now. Okay, I had VE3EF2, and what was the other station? Victor Echo 3, Papa Alpha. Okay, Victor Echo 3, Papa Alpha. Okay, VE3EF2, come on in.
Yeah, Roger, Chris, this is Paul. Just hiked out into the forest. Gonna camp out for the night. Thought I would check in. Over.
Tell me your power.
Okay, I didn't quite catch the name. Try again.
Yeah, the name is Paul, Papa Alpha Uncle Lima. I'm sending you half a watt here from the forest. Over.
That was a half a watt? Holy jumping, not bad. You're at least S5 there, over.
Yeah, Roger, I always like to check it on ONTARS with as low power as possible. It's amazing how many times the signal bounces all over Ontario on a half a watt.
Holy smokes, that's not bad at all. Wherever you've got that antenna, leave it alone.
Yeah, the antenna is on the end of a giant fishing pole I had shipped in from China. Maybe it's about 25 feet in the air, over.
Holy cow, that's not too bad at all. Is it set up as a sloper?
No, it's a 20, 40, and 80 linked dipole with 26 gauge wire, over.
And just set up as inverted V style config?
Roger, inverted V, correct, yep.
Wow, that spot likes that antenna.
Yeah, I'm camping next to the river here in Owen Sound. Do you know where Owen Sound is?
Oh yeah, you're up on the peninsula there, so hopefully the beach sand's helping you out, or maybe the really frozen ground is making it look a lot higher.
Yeah, Roger, you can hear the water trickling past here, and in the fall there's always salmon going past all night long. Keeps you awake, over.
It's spring down there, isn't it?
No, I would say maybe -2 or 3, but out here you need snowshoes in the woods if you're carrying a pack, that's for sure. You sink down 1.5 feet, 2 feet in some places.
Oh, jumping. Okay, well, you have a good weekend there, and have fun, and don't freeze, stay warm.
Yeah, Roger, thanks, Chris. I'll check in again in the morning. I always check into ONTARS when I'm in the woods, over.
Yeah, no problem. It's a nice backup to have. Okay, over to VE3 Papa Alpha.
EFQ fell in the river.
So that was a half a watt drag tube.
There was no problem hearing you either. You said you were 5 and 5.
Yeah, what do you want for half a watt?
Yeah.
And if you have propagation from that antenna like that,
Yeah.
you have no power problems.
It's funny how surprised people are about your antenna too. Just a wire in the trees.
And we'll catch you again from VE3PA.
I think tonight was the last cold night. Yeah, that's nice.
Glad I put that piece up. Where did I put that piece up? Last time we were here?
Well. Boom, boom, boom.
Copy, over.
He's calling me.
Whiskey Mike Golf, this is Victor Echo 3 Echo Foxtrot Quebec. Victor Echo 3 Echo Foxtrot Quebec, over.
He's calling me. Seems like he's come up a bit.
2 Echo 0 Whiskey Mike Golf, Victor Echo 3 Echo Foxtrot Quebec. Victor Echo 3 Echo Foxtrot Quebec, over.
So we didn't make any contacts. Well, not really. Couple.
One on half a watt.
We didn't get Kevan in England and that French station. We didn't get... What else was there? We were trying for DX. Anyways, it's a beautiful day. It's going to get packed up here. And next time we're going to try something fun that has to do with the teepee and wood stove. So, until next time.